In the world of reality television, few names evoke the same mixture of admiration, curiosity, and raw emotional connection as Amy Slayton of 1000 LB Sisters. A staple figure in the TLC franchise, Amy has become known not only for her incredible weight loss journey but also for the tumultuous ups and downs of her personal life. Recently, she is once again in the spotlight, this time for a fashion choice that has stirred speculation across social media platforms. A photo of Amy wearing a skin-tight dress has fueled rumors and raised widespread concerns about a possible pregnancy, leaving fans and critics alike clamoring for answers. The photo in question was shared on Amy's official Instagram account during what appeared to be a casual night out with friends and family. The image captures her in a form-fitting bodycon dress, a striking departure from her usual flowy and comfortable wardrobe. In the caption, Amy simply wrote, "Living my best life dancer purple heart #confidence #mom on the move." While many of her followers praised her for her newfound confidence and glamorous look, others quickly zeroed in on what they perceived as a baby bump. Comments began flooding the post within minutes, with fans speculating whether the TLC star might be expecting a third child. Amy Slayton, a mother of two, has been candid about the physical and emotional toll of her pregnancies. After welcoming her sons, Gage and Glenn, Amy publicly stated that she wanted to focus on her health and her young children rather than expanding her family. Her last pregnancy was documented on 1000 LB Sisters, during which she struggled with complications due to her weight and other health conditions. The experience left her physically drained and emotionally exhausted, but she remained resilient and determined to give her children the best life possible. Given those past statements, the possibility of a third pregnancy raises questions, not only about her current health status but also her future plans. What made this particular image stand out, however, wasn't just the apparent bump but the fact that Amy chose a dress that hugged her figure more than any garment she's previously worn in public. Fans have long been supportive of Amy's growing confidence as she's shed weight and embraced self-love, but this wardrobe shift has triggered more than just fashion commentary. One user commented, "Is that a baby bump or just the dress? Either way, you look stunning, Amy." Others weren't as gentle. "Girl, tell us now. Are you pregnant again? We're not ready for season 6 to be all diapers and morning sickness again," another user posted. Adding fuel to the speculation is Amy's recent silence on social media. Normally an active poster who shares updates about her sons, makeup tutorials, and behind-the-scenes looks at filming, she's gone unusually quiet since the photo was uploaded. Her lack of follow-up or clarification has only intensified fan theories. Has she deliberately kept quiet to let rumors build? Or is she genuinely stepping back from the limelight for personal reasons? Either way, Amy's fans are desperate for answers. Inside sources close to the production of 1000 LB Sisters have remained tight-lipped. While TLC has neither confirmed nor denied the pregnancy rumors, insiders have noted an increased level of secrecy surrounding Amy's scenes in the upcoming season. There are tighter security protocols during filming, and producers are making sure no spoilers get out, an anonymous crew member revealed. Amy's storyline this season is going to shock a lot of people. Though the source didn't confirm a pregnancy, their cryptic comments have only further stoked the flames of speculation. If Amy is indeed expecting, the timing would raise eyebrows. Her recent split from her husband Michael Halterman was a central focus in the last season. The couple's turbulent relationship culminated in a divorce that Amy described as freeing but bittersweet. Since the split, Amy has been navigating single motherhood while continuing her weight loss journey and dealing with the emotional aftermath of her broken marriage. A new pregnancy could complicate an already challenging chapter in her life, leading many fans to question whether she's ready, emotionally, physically, and mentally, for another child. Of course, there is also the possibility that the speculation is simply that, speculation. Amy has been vocal in the past about body image and how public commentary can affect her mental health. During one particularly heartfelt confessional on the show, she said, "Just because my body looks a certain way doesn't mean I owe anyone an explanation. Not everything is about being pregnant or losing weight. Sometimes I just want to feel pretty." That statement, in light of the current controversy, feels even more poignant. Body positivity advocates have rallied behind Amy, emphasizing that assuming a woman is pregnant based on her body shape is harmful and perpetuates outdated societal standards. One viral tweet defending Amy read, "Let's normalize women dressing how they want without jumping to conclusions about their womb." Amy Slayton looks beautiful, confident, and strong. That's all that matters. The backlash against the pregnancy speculation has prompted a wave of support, with many fans urging others to respect Amy's privacy and boundaries, yet the questions linger. Could this be a clever marketing ploy ahead of the new season of 1000 LB Sisters? Reality TV stars are no strangers to using cryptic posts and controversy to drive viewership. Amy has proven herself savvy in managing her public image, whether intentionally or not. The buzz surrounding her dress and the pregnancy speculation may very well serve to build anticipation for what's to see. On TLC, Amy's sister, Tammy Slayton, has remained characteristically silent about the matter. Tammy, who has been navigating her own dramatic transformation and personal grief following the loss of her husband Caleb, has not addressed Amy's viral photo. The sisters have always had a complicated but loving relationship, and many fans believe Tammy's silence is either a sign of solidarity or perhaps indicative that there's more going on behind the scenes. Meanwhile, longtime viewers of 1000 LB Sisters are already speculating what a potential new baby would mean for the dynamic of the show. Would Amy be able to balance single parenthood with her health goals? Would Tammy step in to help? Would their family unit evolve to accommodate another child, or would it bring more tension and strain? The possibilities are endless, and the internet is abuzz with theories. Amy's weight loss journey has been nothing short of inspirational. Starting out at over 400 pounds, she's made remarkable strides toward her goals, and with each step, fans have cheered her on. A third pregnancy, while exciting for some, could put her hard-earned progress at risk. Doctors have long cautioned about the impact of back-to-back pregnancies on women who are still undergoing massive lifestyle changes. For Amy, the physical demands could be significant, not to mention the mental and emotional toll. At the heart of the matter lies a complex interplay of fame, privacy, health, and motherhood. Amy Slayton is not just a reality TV star. She's a woman who has bravely shared some of her most vulnerable moments with the world. Her journey is one of transformation, resilience, and deep emotional growth. Whether she is pregnant or not, the scrutiny she faces highlights the challenges many women deal with in a culture that feels entitled to comment on their bodies. What the future holds for Amy Slayton remains uncertain. But one thing is clear, her impact on her fans and the world of reality television is undeniable. The speculation surrounding her skin-tight dress may be just another chapter in her ongoing story, but it speaks volumes about the public's investment in her life. Whether she chooses to confirm, deny, or ignore the rumors, Amy has already won in many people's eyes, by continuing to live boldly, unapologetically, and on her own terms. Until she addresses the rumors herself, the world will keep watching, wondering, and waiting. Perhaps in time, she'll reveal the truth behind the dress. But for now, Amy Slayton remains an enigmatic and empowering figure, standing strong in her skin-tight dress, facing the world with the same unshakable courage that made her a star. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.